Why is e-commerce so important? E-commerce, are commonly referred to as internet commerce, is the buying and selling of goods or services using the internet, and the transfer of money and data to execute these transactions. The expansion of internet commerce includes, but is not limited to, computers, tablets, or smartphones, thus creating a digital version of a catalog shopping. Nearly every product and service is available on the e-commerce space: books, music, plane tickets, financial services, etc., making it a game changer and a disruptive technology. The history of e-commerce can be traced back to August 11, 1994, the date at which a consumer good was first sold to someone over the internet successfully. A man sold a CD by the band Sting to his friend through his website NetMarket. Since then, electronic commerce has blossomed into a world of its own, making it easy for consumers across the globe to access products at the click of a button, also allowing them to discover and have access to a multitude of online retailers and marketplaces. Freelancers, young entrepreneurs, and large corporations have all benefited from this as well, facilitating them to sell their goods and services at a greater scale than usual. There are four main types of e-commerce models. Number 1, business to consumer, B2C. When a business sells a good or service to an individual consumers, for example, someone buying tank tops from an online retailer. Number 2, business to business, B2B. When a company sells a good or service to another business. For example, a business sells software as a service for other businesses to use. Number 3, consumer to consumer, C2C. When an establishment sells a good or service to another consumer. For example, you sell your old furniture on eBay to another consumer. Number 4, consumer to business, C2B. When a consumer sells their own products or services to a business or organization. For example, an influencer offers exposure to their online audience in exchange for a fee, or a photographer licenses their photo for a business to use. E-commerce has helped businesses establish a wide market presence by providing cheaper and more efficient distribution channels for their products or services. And as time passes, this substitute for brick-and-mortar stores is massively expanding, projected to reach around $20 trillion in the next decade. E-commerce offers all consumers the following advantages. Convenience of access. E-commerce is a non-sleeping operation, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, little to no management. Wide variety in selection. Though many stores offer an array of assortments, their online counterparts provide way more than what is typically carried. Furthermore, certain exclusive items can solely be purchased online. E-commerce also has the following disadvantages. Little to no customer service. Most websites tend to use bots on their chat services instead of regular human. No instant gratification. Whenever you purchase something online, you must wait for it to be shipped to your home or office before enjoying it. Inability to touch products. Besides the stock images or video demonstrations, there isn't really a way for you to feel a fabric or to see how well a particular item will look on people of different sizes and skin tones. Future entrepreneurs and moguls should learn more about e-commerce and leverage it to expand their business for the following reasons. Number 1, broaden your reach. With a sizable audience, your business can become the go-to spot for things in your niche, allowing you to quickly expand your product selection without having to worry about paying rent or worrying about not being able to expand your business. Number 2, convenience. Nowadays, time is a luxury that everyone can afford to lose. Therefore, people don't want to waste any. Instead of spending 30 minutes in traffic to reach the local brick and mortar store, consumers would rather spend 3 minutes browsing your collection from the comfort of their home before making their decisions. Number 3, increase reach. When set up correctly, millions of people across the world can view your website at any time, meaning that for those looking to expand their businesses and reach out to a larger audience, you have many more opportunities to do so thanks to the internet's accessibility. Number 4, marketing opportunities. Using SEO when building and ranking your site will lead to more traffic and chances of your business getting found by other consumers in search engines. Moreover, pay-per-click advertising, social media marketing, and email marketing campaigns can drastically influence the affluence of your brand, thus leading to more revenue. The end. Thank you.